Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi, and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we will create a cute little giraffe. Before we start, I would request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. And the material required for it is a paper, pencil, marker, and our oil pastels. So let's start. To create this beautiful giraffe, what we'll do is we'll first make the face. We'll make it in a cartoon style. So the first step is to make a curvy line. Then we'll make a semicircle kind of a shape on both the sides for the ears, and then we will make a shape like a U. So this will be the face of our giraffe. We'll make two lines and one circle, the other circle. Now here again we will divide the face and make a smiley. We'll make two circles for the eyes and we'll fill the colors with the marker only or the black sketch pen. Now what we will do is we will make a little slanting line and with a curve I'll make a line just for the body, and on the other hand I will make a freehand straight line. Now we'll make a curve to make its legs. We'll make the other leg with a curve and one more leg. And where is the tail? So we'll make a tail. And the giraffe has some spots on it. So what I'm doing is we will make some circles and semicircles to create the spots on it. Some big, some small. You can randomly make some spots. We'll make some spots on the face as well. And our drawing is done. Now what we will do is we will create a background around it to make it very simple and to make it in a composition. So I'll make a curvy line over here to make it as a land, and we will make some grass, some bushes around, actually not exactly grass but some bushes around it. So some bushes around it. We can also make a sun and some birds. I'm making a circle and some lines randomly for the sun. So our drawing is complete, and now we will start with the colors. Now the colors to be used in our giraffe is yellow and the spots with the brown color. So I'm taking this yellow color, and before we start with it I will color the spots with the brown color. So take the brown color. Now these are very small. You can also use sketch pens if you want. Otherwise do it very patiently. So I'm filling it with the brown color first, and then we will use the yellow color to fill the rest of the area. And then we will color the giraffe with a chrome yellow color. Do the colors neatly and nicely, and make sure you don't go out of the boundary line which you have created. Now for the face I'm using this yellow color for the smile, for this bottom part of the face, and again the similar color which we have done here, the mustard color, for his head. Now what we'll do is we'll do different shades of green over here. So I'm starting with the light green color. Then I'll take the darker green color, whichever the dark green color is available with you. And again we'll take the light green color and we'll fill it. Or if you have a different green color you can do that also. For the sun, of course, we'll use the yellow color. Now It's a sunny, bright day. So what we can do is we can also create it with the yellow sky, orange and yellow sky, and we can also make the sky with the blue color. So it's your choice how you do it. So I'm taking a lighter blue color to color the sky. So when we are making an object or any thing, we have to create it in a full composition. Don't just make it and leave it like that. Color the background, make it very bright, beautiful, and it will give you a beautiful effect to your painting. It will make it a scene, and you will also enjoy coloring it and making it. I'm just coloring it blue. When you are coloring near the main object, just do it slowly so that you don't end up overlapping the color on it. And a simple drawing is ready. I'll just show you. So a simple cute cartoon giraffe is ready. I hope you all will try this and do share your comments below. Did you like creating it? And of course, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.